I'm on the set here of Triple Threat. I'm gonna show you a quick hack on how to make applesauce very quickly. I'm starting with 3 Granny Smith apples, and I actually developed this recipe specifically for competition cooking, but then I realized this is the fastest, most efficient, and best way to make applesauce at home. I'm peeling the Granny Smith apples first, taking the tops and bottoms off, and then I'll take a peeler and just peel that skin off the outside. We'll take the apples off the core, and I like to do this sort of in chunks, so you're taking 1/4 of the apple off each knife motion just to take that core out of the center. And these apples, I like to use Granny Smith because of how tart they are, especially if you're gonna add other things to it. Plastic wrap right over the bowl. And like I said, there's nothing else going into this. This is 100% pure applesauce. Microwave for 5 minutes. It's extremely hot when it comes out of the microwave, so you want to use a kitchen towel. The last thing I'm going to do before I blend it is just drain off some of this extra liquid right in the blender. Blend it on high speed just until it's smooth. Perfect applesauce, and you got a little apple liquid to make a martini.